Hi guys, you have opened RTSR channel. Today's topic is Redmi. In this video I'm going to tell you how to use picture-in-picture on Redmi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have already watched my other videos. Let's go. Open settings, then scroll down, select privacy protection, tap on it, special permissions, picture-in-picture find, and tap on it. If you want to use picture-in-picture on Redmi, find app you need and tap on it, then turn on picture-in-picture. Allow picture-in-picture. Good. Okay, you did it. I hope it was easy and simple. Don't forget to write comments. I try to answer everyone. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. I hope I can do it. Thank you. Goodbye.